Christopher Columbus may have found America, but you have found a gold mine right here in Perry, Georgia.
Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. Know I got you forever, wherever I go. I feel like I'm
Nearly an acre of land, big enough for weekend cookouts, game day parties, or just a place to let your imagination going wild.
dying.
This is all yours, but I know what you're thinking. With that much land, it must be way out in the middle of nowhere. You thought wrong. Whether it's shopping with the family, or grabbing a sweet treat, or coffee. Beautiful downtown Perry is just minutes away. You got shopping, restaurants, cafes just down the road. Now this kitchen, it gives game day host vibes. Football, snacks, the whole crew right here. And the main bedroom and bath, come on. This is where you want to unwind.
Moments like I'm walking on air, tripping over roses every time that you're there. I'm losing my mind. Oh,
And out back, keep it like this, or...
more than I should. I feel like I'm
So you thought we were done. Brace yourself, because with a price tag of just $199,900, this one might not last long. Hello, this is Mischa. An offer? I haven't even finished filming the listing video yet. Can I give you a call back? How are they already calling to see it?
always you.